Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Wednesday. Today is February the 11th. We're on our first of two jobs today. Our first job is out here, Covington. It's Oxford, but it's more like the Covington side. Actually, it wasn't too bad from the shop. It was actually like a 38-minute ride. So anyway, and then after this, we got to go do a marble vanity in Decatur. So let me show you guys what we're doing. This is a client. They found me last week, reached out to me, sent me pictures, the measurements. I never came out to do an in-home consultation. So we got about 1,800 square feet. We got some engineered floor, we got some solid floor, and we got some granite countertops we're going to be doing as well. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, a nice beautiful wrap. So we're out here, and actually my other truck would be ready this afternoon. Got a ride along who's actually on the way today, going to be with us tomorrow and Friday. So guys, we got some solid floors that we're going to be doing. We also got some engineered floors we're going to be doing with some color correction. So these are the engineered floors that we're doing. You can see some missing color here, 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 all through here, all through here. And this is why my system is so nice for these type of floors, because these floors cannot, well, you know what? Actually, these floors these are solid. These are solid floors, guys. So these are solid, but you see that design that's in these floors? You can sand these floors, but all that characteristics and design will be all knocked out, and this floor will be completely flat. So this is a solid floor, okay? But they're moving out, so there's no need to sand. So we're gonna do some color correction here, 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 all through here, guys. Lots of color correction all through here, all through here, okay? Then we got some solid white oak floors. These floors right here, this hallway. So I'm gonna use different pads on the floors in here, super worn. Oh, also shout out to one of my my contractors. They had some boards that had a lot of water damage, and one of my contractors actually laced in some new boards over here. And these are the granite countertops. You're gonna look at all this, guys. Look at all that. Look at all that. They just oh, look at all this. How dirty they are, grimy. Look at all that, guys. Look at all that. See all that? Feels, oh, it feels rough. Really rough. So we're gonna get these knocked out. Here, over here. Look at all that. See how foggy they are? Just a lot of residue buildup, okay? And then this floor right here. All right, guys, go ahead and get started. This potty room. All right, stay tuned.
All I need is my buffer. One day refresh, no sand and no drama, just elevate. Oh, all I need is buffer in a room. Give me a roller and that ProCoat smooth. Color correction, bring the grain back true. Granite shining like it's brand new. All I need is polish and a plan. Pressure steady in my right hand. Covington know who I am. One day floors that Truman stand. Walking quiet, evaluate the grain. See a little fade, see a little stain. Homeowner thinking they need full sand. I'm like, hold up, let me show you the plan. Screen it down, level that wear. 200 grit, glide through the air. Color correction, blend it right. Bring that hardwood back to life. Roll it on smooth, no heavy coat. Just enough flow, let the finish flow. Watch it level, watch it lay. Mirror reflection by end of day. They be like, how you do that so fast? I just smile, that shit's in the crowd. Precision steps, no wasted move. Georgia wood, we restore the groove. All I need a buffer in a room. Give me a roller and that ProCoat smooth. Color correction, bring the grain back true. Granite shine Roman style.
Switch rooms, now we on stone. Granite countertops back in the zone. Light etching those spots, cool. Bring the polisher, grab the tool. Compound first, refine the gloss. Bring that clarity back across. Edges tight, seams clean. Reflection sharp, magazine sheen. Seal it down, protect that shine. Water beat up every time. They thought it was replacement cost. Nah, just restoration balls. Kitchen glowing, floors on fire. That's what happens when you hire. Not a handyman guessing moves, but a craftsman that improves. I don't need a full tear out. I don't need a 3-week route. Give me skill and a steady hand, and I can elevate your whole plan. Georgia.
All right, guys, we are done. Floors look up. She said, oh, yes. Guys, remember that color correction? All that color that was missing all through here, like it never even happened. We got a nice satin finish on this floor, guys, and everything looks amazing. Also here in the masters, we had a lot of missing color. If you go back to the beginning of the video, I don't even remember, but it was somewhere up in here. So that's one of my special techniques, is the color correction. And then the white oak floors look beautiful. The foyer, and also the granite countertops. Look at the counter. Where at? Oh, I get it out. All right. Looks good?
Looks good. Looks
Thank,
great.
thank you. All right, guys. Footprint.
Color correction.
Oh, okay. You give me a green maroon pad. All right, guys. Got a little footprint right there. We're just gonna knock that out and then just feather some new finish on it. Also, shout out to my guy Raphael, who did the lacing, put in the new boards that had water damage because they didn't want to sand the floors. So Screen and Recoat made these floors look so much better. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.